Hey everybody, I just kind of got done taking a shower with my new shower curtain. I mean, this thing is ginormous. How, who needs a shower head this big? Please tell me. If you know someone who needs a shower head this big, please comment on this video. Because I seriously have no idea why someone would need a shower head this big unless you were like washing your car or your elephant or something, if you even have an elephant. I mean, really, this thing can kill you. I mean, it has so many different sprays on it, it could kill you. I'll show you. That's like one. There's another. That's another. That's not so violent, but this is the one that can kill you. I mean, right here, this could kill you. Okay, there. And back all the way here. Nice, gentle one. You get my point. That could kill you. So, you see my point, and my socks are getting soaked here. But yeah, you get my point. Nobody's gonna need something this seriously, this big. I mean, really. Ugh. Well, at least the water's warm, I mean. I just took a shower, I don't need another one. The thing's amazing, it's so huge. Oh, my mom's gonna kill me when she sees how wet I've gotten. But this thing, it's amazing. I mean, really, it's like, oh! That's insane. That's unbelievable. See, it almost killed me. Okay, I really gotta get out of these clothes before I catch pneumonia. I'll see you guys later.